What's up? So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can create a Instagram story or Facebook story ad in no time, from start to finish. Let's dive in. Alright, so for those of you who don't know me, my name is Zach Vines and welcome to the channel. Basically, I go over various ways for you to use social media and digital marketing to ultimately boost up your business. So again, this video we're going to cover creating your Facebook story or Instagram story ad. And what I mean is actually what it looks like, the aesthetic, the personalization of it, and then actually diving into Business Manager and creating it. So for starters, why should I use Facebook or Instagram story ads? So for one, it has been a new thing for Instagram and Facebook to start showing more stories to users than even the organic stuff within your Facebook and Instagram feed. So even if you're not posting ads, you should be getting more active as a business, as a musician, as an artist, as whatever, using these stories to boost up your business or page. But with the ads, we're actually seeing tremendous conversions from using story ads to pop up on their screen and for them to do a quick swipe and go up. The reason being is some people actually get on these social media platforms now and don't just scroll. Sometimes they like getting on stories and actually stopping and staring and looking. So this is just another way to use what tools we have in our arsenal as social media marketers to reach people in our business. So for this example, I'm going to show you from start to finish how we can get that done. So in the beginning, if you are wanting to create your story ad, I suggest you use an app called Canva. And I'm actually going to dive in right now on how it looks like to use Canva to create an awesome looking story ad. And then after that, dive into Facebook Business Manager and show you exactly how we're going to create that ad. So let's get started right now. All right, so we are inside Canva now. So I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create this ad. So as you can see here, there's also Instagram post, blog banner, card, email header, Twitter post, Facebook cover, Facebook post, Facebook ad, Instagram story. There's all these different pre-made dimensions that allow you to just go ahead and know the exact dimensions that you want for your post, or you could type it up here. So you can see here I put story, and this just says your story. So 1080 by 1920, and we can see down here an Instagram story is 1080 by 1920. So either way. All right, so now we're on this page and you can see your blank template. So here are different types of pre-made templates. So dark modern Instagram story, clean minimalist Instagram story highlight covers, natural scrapbook. So these are just different things that you can actually edit, pre-made Instagram story ones. So you can see some sports ones, some illustrative ones, some just travel ones. So depending on what your niche is, this may be something that you go ahead and do. For the sake of this practice, I'm actually going to use a template of what I would do on creating an ad actually for you to join my free Facebook group. So if you're wanting to join a free Facebook group, so you can choose from pre-made photos that are royalty free. You can have little elements and add little shapes and sizes to add to your graphics. This is going to be where you actually customize your text, and then there's actually customized backgrounds. So I'm going to go over here to uploads. And you can see here's some pictures that I've already uploaded. And then you can just upload an image right here. So the secrets to online success would be the group that I'm trying to get them to join. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put secrets to online success. Cool, add it on here. I'm going to up this a little bit bigger so I can see. I want to go a little bit wider. All right. So what so you can go ahead and just add a heading. And for this one, I think I'm going to use a font I like called Glacial Indifference. So this you can use any font you would want. What I'll go ahead and do is free or free join free Facebook group. Okay. So the secrets to online success, that kind of already, I don't have to go any further on really explaining what this is. I can do that actually when I'm in the ad platform, but you can already see here, okay, it's for people that want to know the secret to online success. So I'm just going to put join free Facebook group. I'm gonna use this. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and up my font some. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and bold this. Make it a little bigger. Okay. So join free Facebook group. Let's see. So join free Facebook group now. And what we can do is, if you actually go on Google, you can actually look up numerous different things as far as of a swipe up picture. What I would suggest you do is go ahead and Google swipe up or finger swipe up transparent PNG. And I'm going to show you what it's going to look like once you have already found one. So once you have found one, it's going to look more like this. So this is an example of one. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to place this in the middle down here. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bigger. Make sure it's centered. Boom. So what this is doing, so if you aren't already familiar with the way the Facebook or Instagram story works, is there's a swipe up feature that you can add on the ads where you can swipe up and it's going to take them to your destination. So I'm just doing it clean and simple. Hey, the secrets to online success, join the free Facebook group now, swipe up. You're not going to want to add too much text because Facebook will deny your ad if it has a little too much. You can explain a little bit more in it. And again, with this, you're more just trying to grab some attention. Boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an element of maybe a border. So I'm going to put border. This one will do. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is to do something that'll make the picture pop a little bit more. Okay. Cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add that. I don't really like. No, that looks clean. I just feel like it's not. Yeah, there we go. I knew something looked a little off. Okay, so it looks a lot better. So see, so this is a clean, simple, easy way for you to just, boom, join it now. Clean and simple, easy way that you can customize it. And now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then now let's hop into your business manager, your Facebook business manager, so we can get this ad posted. All right, so now we are within Ads Manager, and what I just did is hit create within the business manager. So now we're ready to start creating this ad. So I'm actually going to start off, there's various ways that you can do this. In my opinion, it is better to go traffic because this is one that you're going to want to get the most clicks and going in. So we're going to go into traffic, and I'm just going to name this traffic story ad. Okay? You can do whatever. Okay, so we're inside. I went ahead and renamed the ad set name. We are going to be targeting to a website. Okay. So I'm not going to have a lookalike audience on this, so that's all fine. You're going to want to update it via the, where location or the age, depending on whatever you're, targeting. So detailed targeting. So, you're obviously going to want to target whoever, would be best suited for what you're doing. So for me personally, I want to target people that want to, learn the secrets to online success and to join the group, which, has, weekly webinars. We have weekly trainings on all things internet marketing, digital marketing tips, and content and engagement. So, I could just target, digital marketing or, social media marketers. but that's very wide. So I want to niche down to probably people that are, absolutely working in the business right now. And obviously, ClickFunnels is very big right now. If you're a business owner, you probably should, if you haven't heard of ClickFunnels, learn that for building your sales funnels. So I might just target, Russell Brunson, the creator of it. So it's still, 14 million people, pretty broad. So I might, narrow it down a little bit. They must also like, they must also like digital marketing. Narrowed it down a little bit. So cool. This is all good, but we're going to actually edit our placements. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep it on offer now. But what we're going to ultimately do here is we want it only for store. Okay. So the reason why I didn't change it from desktop, because people actually on desktop do have Facebook stories. So what I'll do is I'll keep it on all the stories, but everything else, you're just going to uncheck. Okay, cool. So we are optimizing. You can go landing page views, link clicks, impressions daily. I'm going to go link clicks. And cool. So we're going to go next. Okay. I'm just going to put the same name. I'm going to change it. You can do whatever. If I were to have done this, I probably would have done it to this page. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and create that. So we're going to go ahead and add media. So I've added the picture here. We're going to keep going. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. See how it looks pretty clean. So it says learn more. You can see my little swipe up. I might go edit it and move it up a little bit now that I see that. So that's how it's going to look for Facebook stories. Let's see how it's going to look for Instagram. See, so I like that little learn more, swipe up, and see, it's just clean. It's just something that kind of looks different. They read it instantly at the top. It might stop them, and hey, I'll check it out. You want to get some finger stoppers in there. You want to do vibrant, bright colors. Okay, cool. Boom. So now it looks all good. So you want primary text. So I might be, I might put weekly trainings. Okay. So boom. So come website. So you would paste what your website is. So for me, if you want to join the group, you could either look up Secrets to Online Success. If you're not in the group, definitely check it out. But I actually already have the URL for it. Go to isaacfines.com. Secret to Success. Okay. So that would be my URL. And you can check it here and see if you like the way that looks now. I don't know what. I'm not sure why the display went away. But anyway, so you put that, and then you can ultimately decide whether you want it to say learn more, contact us, whatever. I like to learn more. All right, so that was it. So if you followed with me, you now learned exactly how to use Canva to create and personalize that story ad. Then go into Business Manager in Facebook and actually launch that so that it shows up on your Instagram and on your Facebook fan page. So again, if you remember in the settings, in the business settings, there is an area where I put my page, and then there's another setting where you're going to put your Instagram page, and then that way you're going to be able to launch it on both platforms. You can do this if you already have the picture with within the Instagram app on your mobile, but I highly suggest if you actually want to get in the meat and potatoes and get in better detailed targeting, you use your laptop and you use it via the Facebook Business Manager. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value out of it. If you did, go ahead and comment value below if you got, great value from doing this, and I hope that this boosts your business in one way, shape, or another. And if you're actually interested in the group that I actually, basically created the ad for, then you actually click the link below in the description and you can go ahead and join this free group. So what this free group is, it's called the Secret to Online Success. And in this group we have weekly trainings, we have webinars, we have posting, we have guest interviews, and essentially it's all things on building an organic and amazing community of other people that are wanting to gain success online, and sharing all of our takebacks, feedbacks, and keeping you up to date with all the tech and all the new tips and tricks you can be utilizing in your business. And again, it's free, so what are we waiting for? Go ahead and comment and get that access in the link below. And hey, I hope to see you in future videos. Go ahead and subscribe, and see you later, my friends.